Hey guys, welcome back. Today I wanted to showcase more pictures that I've been taking with the Fujifilm x100v using the film simulation recipe Kodacolor. So if you guys don't know, I made a video about it a few weeks ago about Kodacolor, which is a film simulation recipe created on fujixweekly, and you can adapt it to your modern Fuji cameras like the Fujifilm x100v to simulate kind of a more of a film feel. This recipe in particular is characterized by pastel blues, pastel yellows, and a strong grain. Now I'm not going to do too much talking about this. Today I wanted to merely just showcase a lot of the pictures I've been taking with it because I do find it very fun. I find it very enjoyable to take pictures with the Kodacolor recipe, and I want to encourage you guys to try this more as well. Just as overall, this channel is going to be talking about cameras and pictures and photography and stuff like that, but I want photos to be more of an essence in this channel. I want to showcase more of the photos I'm taking, regardless if they are good or bad, simply just for the point of sharing pictures. I think sharing pictures is very important, and I think showing my growth in photography is more rewarding than showing, all the perfect pictures. So that was already more talking than I intended. I'm just gonna let the photos play now. This house photo in particular is probably my favorite that I've taken this day, simply because I like the way the shadow of the house in the foreground mirrors the house in the background. I think it creates for a very interesting composition and symmetry, and I like the blown out shadows. The dark grain is very interesting, and the color of the yellows gives me a vibe similar to like a springtime, warm springtime feeling. You know what I mean? It's not yellow to the point of being summery, but it feels like a winter, spring, crisp yellow, which is something I really enjoy about the Kodacolor recipe in the first place. So anyways, those were most of the pictures I've taken with the Kodacolor film simulation recipe since I made that last video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the photos and have been enjoying the film simulation recipe on your own if you've been using it. I hope to make more of these in the future, so stay tuned if you're interested in these type of videos or just videos about the Fujifilm system in general. If you liked this video, please do like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in another video. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.